At least 8 people have been killed in a school shooting case in Austria. As per local reports that are coming in, that this took place in a secondary school in Austria. And students and teachers are believed to be amongst the casualties. Let's get in Vishal Vivek, my colleague, to get us more details on this. Vishal, a very disturbing news coming in, yet another case of school shooting. But if you have any more details on this, tell us more.
Well, these are still early reports of school shooting in Austria. This is the southern part of Austria. It was a secondary school that this shooting took place in, and at least 8 people have been reportedly killed. This is what the local media has been saying. There are many injured as well. Scores of students and teachers have been injured. There's still no confirmation on who the shooter was. Reports are suggesting that it could be one of the students itself that would have gone and done the shooting, but that is yet to be confirmed, and the shooter has reportedly died by suicide. So the authorities are there, special forces of Austria are there. So it's a hostile situation. It's a highly tense situation right now. Europe has been riddled with these shooting instances, knife attack instances in the recent past, in the last 1 year or so.
Very quickly, Vishal, has a terror angle been ruled out, or is that being examined as well? Very quickly.
Terror angle is yet to be explored because authorities are still investigating the matter. As I mentioned, the student involved in the attack, whether or not it was a student, that is also being examined. So we'll have to wait for confirmation on the terror angle.